what happens here, another benefit of Southwest is that there tends to be a lot of tenure in the company. So there's people, so I've been here 18 years, and there's lots of people who've been here at least 10 years. So there's therefore deep expertise in the company, which is very helpful. So it's that helps immediately as you go through the process, because they know how things work. Those experts come in to solve the problem. They know how the existing process works, and so they also know ways to go about and try to change if there's a particular piece of that business process, if you will, that's broken or that we need to modify. They also know how to then to change it and still stay within the constraints of what they need to get done. So that's very helpful. So I think what happens, again, just a typical process that we would go through is, so we've already identified that there's something that needs to be fixed, is we'll identify, someone will, and a lot of times it does come from marketing, but it could come from anywhere in the company, will be designated the leader of the project. We'll then call together the appropriate departments that need to come in to help solve the problem and get them in a room, and we'll just start working on it together. And so it's really begins with a discussion of what we're trying to solve, what our objective is, and meeting to overcome the obstacle or whatever that is that we're trying to change, and then immediately begin the work towards it. And then as you again come across things that are work to be done or tasks or roadblocks or whatever they might be, then those get assigned off to people to go fix or overcome for us.
In the marketing department or anywhere?
In this committee now. So
in this room, this
yeah,
people.
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly. So it could end up back on the marketing team's shelf. Probably not. I mean, in other words, if it's a technical limitation, we would have a technology department team member there, and we would say to them, hey, you need to make your system be able to do X, Y, Z, and then that's their job to go solve and figure that out, and then they'll come back and put it in. So it's a lot of just collaboration of people coming in, the experts coming in, trying to clearly understand the problem, understand what would success be, and then working towards that.